In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookkeep on Freshbooks, ensuring your financial data is organized, accurate, and easy to manage. Let's begin by adding clients and setting up invoicing. First, you'll want to add a new client by entering their contact information. This includes their first and last name, company details, and email address. Don't forget to select their preferred currency and language settings, which will make future transactions smoother. Once your clients are in the system, you can move on to creating an invoice. In the Invoices section, click on New Invoice. Here, you'll select the client and set an issue date and a due date. As you go through the invoice, add line items for your products or services. Be sure to include the rate and the quantity for each item. Freshbooks allows you to customize your invoice, add your logo, choose colors, and even include a deposit request if needed. Plus, you can set up recurring invoices and late fees in your client's settings for ongoing services or projects. Next, let's tackle tracking expenses. Head over to the Expenses section and click on New to log an expense. Enter the merchant's name, the amount spent, and a brief description of the expense. It's also important to categorize these expenses and, if necessary, attach receipts or other files. For more efficient expense management, link your bank and credit card accounts. This connection will allow Freshbooks to automatically import transactions, easing the process of tracking and reconciling expenses. Now, let's move on to managing and reviewing your financial data. The Freshbooks dashboard is a powerful tool that can be customized to fit your business needs. It offers a quick overview of important financial information like income, expenses, and outstanding invoices. This quick view helps you monitor the financial snapshot of your business at any time. On top of that, running accounting reports like the profit and loss statement or the general ledger provides deeper insights into your business's financial health. These reports can significantly aid in strategic planning and financial decision-making. It's also crucial to reconcile bank transactions regularly. Utilizing bank feeds, match your bank's records with your Freshbooks entries. This ensures that everything is accurate, which is particularly important before tax season. Finally, for those who need to make more complex financial adjustments, Freshbooks allows you to create journal entries manually. This feature is especially useful for advanced accounting needs. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to keep your bookkeeping organized and efficient with Freshbooks. Whether you're managing clients, tracking expenses, or generating detailed reports, Freshbooks can help streamline your financial management process, giving you more time to focus on growing your business.